saya Muhammad DAHARI. Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Muhammad THOHA HUSSAINI bin HASHIM.
Selamat pagi, nama saya Yakin.
Hai, nama saya Lee Hong Sun.
Okey, tutup. Twist twist tangan.
Dah.
Twist kecil. Okey, twist. Sambil ketuk sambil twist. Okey.
Kita nak protect screw ni. So ini buka dia punya diaphragm.
Okey.
So yang next step kami akan bukakan pipe dekat sini untuk kita nak buangkan dia punya kontaminan. The next step, kami akan buka dua bau ni untuk nak keluarkan kaliper. So for the next step, kami akan keluarkan pin dekat sini untuk nak keluarkan brake pad. For next step, kami akan keluarkan slider dulu. Okay. So step sekarang ni kami nak keluarkan piston dalam. So untuk nak keluarkan piston dalam, tahankan kain dekat bawah sini. Okay. So next step, tembakkan angin masuk ke dalam lubang ni. Keluarkan tapan piston.
Untuk black pin inspection, kita akan cari permukaan yang rata untuk testkan dia. So kita akan buat rolling. Okay, dapat membuat pusingan. So black pin ni tidak perlu ditukar, boleh diguna lagi. Okay, next step seterusnya kami akan ukur screw lining thickness kat sini. Kita ukur dengan menggunakan vernier caliper. Pertama kita akan set pada kosong dulu. Cara nak ukur dia, kita akan gunakan bahagian belakang sekali ni. Ini, lepas tu kita measure. Dapat 1.58. Okay. Lagi satu. Seterusnya untuk rubbing surface test, kita akan letak yang kapu di surface untuk buat test shoes lining dengan disappear. So saya akan buat test. Okay. So dekat sini kita cari surface, kita boleh lihat tak kena pada semua permukaan, so perlu ditukar. Okay, step seterusnya kita akan membuat disc thickness measurement. Pertama kali kita buat 6 position pada surface disc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Lepas tu kita akan gunakan vernier caliper. Kita setkan kosong dulu. Lepas tu kita ukur apa? Kita ukur tempat yang kita dah tanda tadi. Right. So dapat 4.10. Pergi. Hidup 40%.
Next proses kami akan jalankan run out measurement. So kami pakaikan indikator dekat sini. Okay, so yang jarum indikator akan sentuh pada display kita. Then kami akan markkan satu indikator dekat sini. Dan kami akan pusingkan disc brake. So pastikan jarum tu tak gerak lebih dalam range yang 0.05 mm. Okay, kami akan pusingkan satu pusingan. Range yang boleh accept. So untuk breathing process, so kami akan bukakan bleeder valve dekat sini, cabutkan rubber cap dia. Lepas tu sambungkan hose ni dekat bleeder valve. Dan kami akan adjust nanti, buka dengan tutup pakai spanner. So dekat atas kami akan
Isikan minyak dalam tangki minyak dia. Okey. Lepas tu kita akan pump brake ni. Kita akan
Danial tolong THOHA, lepas tu THOHA main brake. Nak buka? Buka sikit. Ada tu. Itu tutup.
Kita ulang proses ni banyak kali sampai angin tak ada.
Nak buangkan bubble ni sampai tak ada bubble. Tutup.
Salam sejahtera and a very good day to our lecturer, Dr. Zahil. So today our group from Bmka session 2-1, we are going to have a discussion for our lab test after we have disassemble, service and refitting our disc brake on motorcycle. So for the first discussion we are going to conduct is the disc brake part name. So this is the each component on our disc brake. Where our model is RS 150. So where the disc brake system is mainly built by each component inside here, where mounting bracket, piston, brake press are the mainly component for our disc brake system. Okay, so the second one is the condition of our disc brake system. So the first one is the wear indicator. So the wear indicator we have found out that it's still in the good condition. And the second one is the disc brake surface. So our disc brake surface are clean and circular. So no dent or physical damage found. And then both of our brake pads are found out is in worn and damaged condition and need to have a replacement instantly. And for the fifth and the sixth is our piston system, piston and the cylinder bore. So we found out both the piston and the cylinder bore is still in good condition and no damage found on the surface. So for inspection part, so we have conducted some inspection activity. So the first one is the run out measurement. So what we obtained from the dial gauge is the value still in acceptable range, so there's no replacement needed for our disc brake. And then the second one is the disc brake thickness measurement, where we conduct this using pin caliper. So the six part section of our disc brake, so we have recorded. And then the third one is the rub test, where we apply chalk on the disc brake and we found out the surface is still is not even and replacement is needed for our disc brake. And then the fourth one is the guide pin straightness, where we conducted on the even surface and we found out our guide pin is still in good condition. And the last one is the shoes lining thickness, where the front value we gain is 1.58 millimeter and the rear part is 1.26 millimeter, so where it's still in acceptable range. So this is the brake fluid inspection of our motorcycle. So this is a picture before and after the service. before the service, we can see our brake fluid is cloudy and yellowish, but it didn't contain any air bubble inside, while the brake fluid level is below maximum level. And then also the consistency is sticky. So after the service, so we can see from here our brake fluid is clear, and then no air bubble, and then the brake fluid level is nearly to the maximum level. Well, last one is the consistency is smooth and free of thickness. So for the brake test result, we have conducted our brake test result for the service along the pathway, and the distance traveled after we apply brake is 411 centimeter, and after the service, the result is 330 centimeter. So it shows that our service is success. So for the discussion part, the first question, based on your finding, what is the condition of the brake press? Should it be replaced with a new one? Yes, our brake press is in worn and damaged condition, and then it has to be replaced immediately to avoid any hazard happens. So when brake press wear down beyond their recommended thickness, so the metal backing of the pads can come out into direct contact with the disc brake. So this cause scoring, wrapping, or other damage to the disc. So for the second question, I'll pass it to my teammate Lee.
Okay, so for the second discussion, if the brake pedals feel spongy, what might be the cause and solution? The first one is air in the brake line, which means bubbles. It will disrupt the hydraulic pressure need for effective braking. So the solution is to do a bleeding for the brake to effective way to remove air from the brake lines. And the second is low brake fluid level. It will cause the presence of moisture and contaminant in the brake fluid. So for the solution, we will have to flush and replace the brake fluid with a fresh fluid that meets the vehicle manufacturer specification. The third one is one of faulty brake component. It will cause one brake pad caliper or master cylinder seal. Okay, so for the solution is we'll inspect and replace any worn or damaged component. Okay, that's it. And for the next question, okay, we will discuss how can a motorcycle overall performance suffer from improper brake disc maintenance. The first is reduced braking efficiency, lead to longer stopping distance. It will increase the risk of accident, especially in emergency. The second one is increased vibration and noise, where it will reduce rider comfort and also affect handling stability. Additionally, squealing or grinding noise may occur, indicating poor disc pad contact. The third one is compromised handling and control, uneven or defective brake disc can cause erratic braking behavior, such as pulling to one side during braking. And the fourth one is overheating and brake fade. Overheating due to accumulated debris lead to a brake fade, reducing the braking system responsiveness and reliability. Next discussion. We will have a difference between a brake dot 3 and dot 4. So we can look at the features from the composition side. The dot 3 will have a polyethylene glycerol, while dot 4 will have a borate ester. And for the wet and boiling point, dot 3 will have a lower wet and dry boiling point, while dot 4 will have a higher wet and dry boiling point. For moisture absorption, dot 3 has absorbed less moisture, while dot 4 absorbs more moisture. For thermal stability, for dot 3 will have a moderate only, while dot 4 with higher and better for heavy braking. For application, dot 3 is for standard vehicles, while dot 4 is higher performance or heavy vehicle. Okay, next, we will have a list. We need to list two advantages of this brake compared to drum brakes, and from our opinion, what features could be applied to the future development of this brake. For the advantage, first one, we will have to improve heat dissipation, where the open design of this brake allowing air to flow freely between the drag pad and the rotor. When the second one is enhanced responsiveness, this brake allows for more consistent braking performance as the caliper apply even pressure on the rotor. For the future development of this brake, we need to use advanced material, which we choose lightweight and heat resistant composite material only. Okay, so for the second one is a smart brake system, where we incorporating sensor and AI driven technology into this brake could optimize braking force in real time based on vehicle load. Okay, for the third one is eco-friendly design, where innovation in the brake pad and rotor material could be particulate emission, addressing environmental concern related to drag dust pollution. Okay. So for the conclusion, overall, maintaining a disc brake system in a motorcycle is crucial for ensuring safety and optimal performance. Regular inspection and timely replacement of worn components are essential to prevent accidents and maintain the vehicle braking efficiency. The practice results showcase the significant impact of proper maintenance on braking performance. Okay, so the experiment emphasized the importance of adhering to safety protocols during brake maintenance, including the proper handling of brake fluid and the use of protective gear. By following this guideline, technician can minimize the risk of accident and injuries. All right, okay, that's all from us. Thank you.